Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I would like to show my information system that I create. In advance, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abdul Mujib. Okay, this is the main display, the latest student of Elementary School 1 Kartini Rembang. Before showing this information system, I want to explain the report of this information system. Okay, this is the report. The database that I create is the database of latest students of elementary school of Barangkali Rembang. Why I choose to create this database? Because I have never seen a school have program to record latest students. Many schools only records manually in book. So based on this situation, I want to make something new. So that's why I choose to create latest student database, especially for elementary school Barangkali Rembang. Next, the identity relationship diagram. You can see on the screen student with name with identity student name number as a primary key, name, class, and address that has led will be recorded with any recent time and date. There are many queries to create the database as follows. Query create database final for project. It means I create database with name final for project. It's clear. Next, query use final for project. It means I use database final for project. Next, query create table student. It means I create table of student with name, with the column number identity student, type integer, length 7 as a primary key, column name type varchar, length 25, column class type char, length 3, and column address type varchar, length 30. Next, query create tablet. It means I create table of flat with the column type time, column reason, type char, length 25, column date, time date. I create origin key in tablet. The origin key is number identity student, that is from table of students. So I have query alter tablet at key number identity students, then alter tablet at constraint let origin key number identity student, reference student, number identity student. On my database, I prepare the data of students in elementary school 1 Kartini Rembang. So I use query insert into student table. I have many data of students from grade 1 until grade 6. You can see. Yes. Next, in my information system there are two tables. The first table is student table. The student table consists of column number identity student, type integer, length 7, and as a primary key, column name, type varchar, length 25, column class, type char, length 3, column address, type varchar, length 30. The second table is let table. The let table consists of column type time, column reason, type char, length 25, column date, type date. Next, there are 5 files on my information system. The first is connexi PHP. This file is to connect the database that I create before with PHP files in information system. The second file is index.php. This file is to design the template and to show the first of display in the information system. The third file is tambah.php. This file is to edit data so that the information will be added in my information system. The tambah.php is to choose name at recent time and date. Fourth file is edit.php. This file is to edit or update data for any mistake or typing. The edit PHP to edit date, name, and reason. The last file is delete PHP. This file is to delete the data in information system. Next, the query in files, query in index PHP. Select from students in join let using number identity student ordered by number identity student ascending. It means in index PHP will show data with combination between student table and let table with connection number identity student in ascending. Inner join in this query means combine two tables such as the student table and let table. The result will be saved in variable result and it will be showed in number identity student, name, class, address, reason, time, and date. Query in Tumblr PHP. Insert into let, time, reason, number identity student, date, values, time, reason, number identity student, date. It means in file Tumblr PHP we add the data of time, reason, number identity student, and that is insert to let table. But next we have query select from student. Number identity students equal name. So number identity student is substituted by name. Finally we add name, reason, time, and date. Query in edit PHP select from let where number identity student equal number identity student. It means when we click edit, then we'll show column date, time, and reason. Then we have query update let set time, reason, date where number identity student equal number identity student. It means when we click update, the data in the let table will be added. The last query delete from let where number identity student equal number identity student. It means when we click delete, then the data in let table will be deleted. It depends on what row of data where will be deleted. Okay, I would like to show you the final display of Latin students. Yes, this is the main display on the Latin students of Elementary School 1 Kali Rembang. For example, the students with name Anstiawan is late coming to school, so we add the data on this information system. Find Anstiawan, the name, and fill the reason. For example, the reason is up at 7 a.m. Then fill time. For example, he reached at school at 7:15 a.m. and after we fill the column, all the column, we click add. So the data add successfully. We go to home and we can see that Anstiawan is on the Latin student of Elementary School 1 Kali Rembang. If we want to edit, we can click edit and fill the column again. Maybe I change the time, become 7:30 a.m. Reason wake up. Yes, we click update. So the time from 7:15 become 7:30. Then if you want to delete, we just click delete, so the Anstiawan is deleted. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.